Okay yan. So, good afternoon po to all, especially dun sa mga nakapag-subscribe na sa ating channel. So, this time, so we have here the sample document. So, actually, ang document po natin dito ay for Teacher 1 positions, if you are applying for Teacher 1 position. And, of course, yung bago ngayon, yung for non-teaching positions. So, dito sa ating sample documents, nandito na included na po yung letter of intent, personal data sheet or experience sheet, checklist, omnibus, sample lesson plans. So, sasama na po natin dito yung mga sample lesson plans. So, if you like, so pwede nyo po siyang i-download. So, nandito na rin po yung sample. Again, this is sample only. Sample TRF, objective 6 to 10. Actually, 6 to 10. Hindi lang 6 to 9. So, of course, kailangan nyo siyang basahin. So, if ever yung lumabas na question pagdating sa inyong application, so much better, And then dito, meron na rin po din tayo sample ng IPCRF for teaching and non-teaching position. Sa non-teaching po, for example, ay AO, ADAS, yan. So, i-upload na po natin lahat dito for your, personal use, So, hindi po pwedeng ibenta. And then, sa non-teaching naman, so if you are applying for non-teaching position, PDO, AO, ayan, SRMO, and other non-teaching personnel na position. So, unang-una, dito po, sasama na po natin yung application of education. So, ito po ay based sa DepEd Order 3, Series of 2023. Ito po yung mga hinahanap. Application of education, application of learning and development. Sa application of education, so, andyan na po yung action plan approved by the school head. So, this is sample only. Accomplishment report, verified by the head of office and certification of utilization. So, actually, ito lang yan. Pero dito, sa files, so, gagawin na nating A, B, C, D hanggang E, F, G, as much as possible para pag during the application at hinanap, talagang kompleto yung documents nyo. Pero as per DepEd Order number 3, series of 2023, so, yung tatlo lang is okay na. Pero mas maganda, masanay po tayo ng mas maraming MOBs, So, application of learning and development, so, eto naman po ay kung kayo po ay may mga trainings and seminars attended, so mas maganda ito po ay na-apply or nagamit nyo po sa inyong trabaho. Hindi lang pwedeng nag-attend ka ng seminars, so that's it. So, okay na. So, magkakaroon po kayo ng points, pero yun ay sa trainings lang. Pero pagdating sa application of learning and development at hindi nyo siya na-apply sa trabaho, so, wala po kayong magiging points sa learning and development. So, paano nyo siya gagawin? Of course, yung training nyo na given or provided by the Human Resource Department, so pwede nyo siyang i-apply sa pamamagitan ng ito yung mga MOVs na kakailangan, certification of training or seminar, yan yung seminar nyo. And then, action plan or duly approved, action plan duly approved by the head of office. So, pwede siyang action plan or proposal. Yan, approved proposal na yung training nyo, gagamitin nyo sa inyong office. And then, of course, kapag ginamit nyo, you will have your accomplishment report and then certification that the learning and development was used or adopted by the higher office. So, dapat siya ay implemented and approved, proposed, approved, and implemented. So, ito lang po yung mga MOBs. So, kasama na po ito dito sa ating files. And then, we have the sample letters. Ayan, kung kayo po ay nag-a-apply. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na written examination. Yung written examination, so eto po yun. Pwedeng gumawa kayo ng notice of meeting, memorandum, office order, request letters, iba't ibang klaseng request letters. Andito na rin yung letter of intent, and many more. All you need to do is to scan the QR code, in order to download the file. So, lahat na po ito. And more pa, So, medyo busy lang tayo sa trabaho, pero kapag vacant naman tayo, so, i-add ko lang po dyan ang i-add, So, ibig sabihin, ito po ba ay libre? So, ito po ay may konting amount lang, donation, Yung iba kasi, tulad dito, ito po ay donation lang para po sa ating time, Time and effort sa paggawa nitong mga letters and documents, So, kung ayaw niyo naman po, wala naman pong problema. Pwede naman po kayong mag-download sa Google, And then, i-revise nyo na lang. Pero itong mga nandito, ito po ay nagamit ko na, Nung ako po ay non-teaching personnel, outstanding non-teaching personnel sa DepEd. Ayan, kaya ito po ay mapapadali na. For example, request sa GSIS, so nandito na. Request sa Pag-ibig, so nandito na. Request of service credit, ano, ayan, proposal, so lahat po ay nandito na. So, one time ano lang naman po ito, one time payment, ano? So, minimal lang naman, ano? Para lang po sa consumption ng electricity at saka internet connection, ano? Tsaka yung, syempre, pag nag-pay po kayo, isi-send ko po yun sa inyo ng direct sa inyong email, ano? So, tulong niyo na rin po sa akin since ang atin naman pong channel ay hindi pa monetized, ano? So, yun lamang po at maraming maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat pag-support sa ating YouTube channel.